Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals with healthy options, driving directions around Jamaica, self-care, home care, and so much more. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Subscription is free, so all you need to do is press that red arrow at the bottom of the video. So this is a picture of George Stibel, 1820 to 1896. He's the first black Jamaican millionaire. He acquired 99 properties island-wide and later built Devon House in 1881. That's the man. This is his heritage. And as I said, this is part of our Heritage Trust. Kingston video showing an alternative route out of New Kingston. So I'm gonna turn right. We are now on Oxford Road. I'm gonna turn right onto Knutsford Boulevard. So the sky is not as blue as I wanted it to be, and the clouds are gradually covering up the sky. As you can see in the horizon there to the right, a lot of gray clouds. It's a little more blue on your left. But let's hope we have good weather for the rest of the video and that we'll have some nice good lighting. So we're gonna turn right onto Knutsford Boulevard. We're just waiting on the light to turn green. We're waiting on the green arrow. And also if it's on green and nothing is coming in the opposite direction, you can also take the right turn. Right behind the red light, as you can see now, we have Emancipation Park. That's a very beautiful park we have here in New Kingston, where you can go and relax if you want, take photos or just chill out and meet up with your friends, and some people exercise in there. Now we have so I already came up here in another video, but I'm gonna take an alternative turn off of Knutsford Boulevard, which we haven't driven before. So I want you guys to see all the different routes in this series of New Kingston videos. So this is the port. We're passing the Portley Hotel on the right, and they're renovating the Wyndham over there. Not sure what the name is gonna be. So as soon as we go around the corner, we're going to make a left turn onto Dominica Drive. That's another, as you know, the roads in New Kingston are the names of the Caribbean islands. So we're passing Bijou. It's a high-end jewelry store here. So I'm going to take the left right at the corner here. We're turning onto Dominica Drive, and we have a gas station on the right. And we have a KFC on the left, and a little craft place on the left. Whoa, lot of traffic. People park up on the left side. I guess everybody going to KFC. Dominica Drive. Some cameos here. This is where we have the big Sagicor Bank on Dominica Drive. We have the New Kingston Shopping Center. Here on your right is nicely renovated. We're gonna make a tour of that one day. On your left here we have Guardian General Insurance Jamaica, and then that's Guardian Group, and then we have the Accountant General's Office of Jamaica, the department there. We have Jerry and Enovi Limited. I'm not sure if it's the executive corporate office or what, but they have a new Kingston office on your left. Then we have the towers on your left, this big high rise, and on the right we have this other place where they have like theaters and stuff. You can turn left on this road to go back to Halfway Tree Road. It's on Chelsea here, so we're gonna turn right onto Holborn Road. The two roads join together, Holborn Road and Chelsea. So we're turning right onto Holborn. We have some nice little stores here on the left with the yellow awning. And we have traffic. So over that building on your right, it's called Ultra Lounge and Restaurant, Seafood and International Cuisine. Right, we have Auto Channel, a very popular auto dealer. Some new buildings going up on the right. On the right, we have Dumfries Road. It's a two-way road. That's another road out of New Kingston. It starts right next to the Sagicor corporate head office building, Sagicor Life. We're gonna turn left onto Trafalgar Road from Holborn Road. Oh, a policeman down there, so I wonder why this road taking so long. Traffic barely moving. Really going over. Trafalgar Road. We're going to go over to Waterloo. Devon House today. This is a long overdue little tour. It's the entrance only, the exit is on the other side of the property. We have some small shops. Wait, something going on today? It's a good day, I come. Okay, I might want to walk through. What is this happening here? Security, what is happening over here today? So we have a spa, and we have, there's a lovely pastry place over here too. So you have parking here and parking around the other side. Roti Wraps, Artisan Village on your left. Some nice little small shops. Having something over here. They always have shopping things going on. Calling curbside pickup. I'm sure if I can find parking. Let's see. I don't find any parking. There's lots of parking, lots of security over here. Who's making noise? I think I want somebody to stop me from parking, you know. Alright, so let's go. That is our famous Devon House ice cream shop. I'm very careful, I don't want to trouble anybody's privacy. Open jerk chicken, jerk pork, fried fish. Oh, the jerk box. That looks interesting. Devon House is described on its website as being saved from the brink of destruction in 1965, and as it was called, the Devon House Mansion is the jewel in the crown of the Devon House Heritage Site grounds, the home of Jamaica's first black millionaire, George Stibel. The mansion has had many lives. It's been a private residence, left vacant, almost demolished, the site of the National Gallery of Jamaica, and now an iconic heritage site. But the mansion is just one of the things you'll find to enjoy when visiting Devon House. This beautiful house overlooks the bustling grounds with fine eateries, shops, and a relaxing lush park. So there are many things you can do at Devon House besides the park and the eating. You can do a tour of the mansion itself. In 1881, George Stibel purchased the rectory constructed by St. Andrew Parish Church on Devon Pen. Here the story of the Devon House mansion begins. Over the years, the mansion has passed through many hands and it was designated a national monument by the Jamaica National Heritage Trust. It is an iconic location in the beating heart of the corporate area and one of the top places to visit in Kingston. A tour of the mansion takes you back in time through carefully and beautifully restored rooms full of unique artifacts, led by knowledgeable guides, locals and visitors alike. And you can take a tour. You can visit the tour page and book your tour. Also, you can have the Devon House ice cream. It's the fourth best place to eat ice cream in the world. Can you imagine that? Little Jamaica. Having an ice cream at Devon House should be on every list of top 10 things to do in Jamaica. It's certainly one of the most popular things to do at Devon House, and for good reason. In the National Geographic book Food Journeys of a Lifetime, Devon House lands at number 4 on the list of top 10 places to eat ice cream in the world. A wide array of flavors ranges from simple yet so delicious vanilla to mango coconut, dark beer based Devon Stout. Also, my favorite is grape nut, and I love fruit and nut too. Stay with us while we take this wonderful, exciting tour that I've been so looking forward to doing of the Devon House grounds. Okay, there's a tour you can do of Devon House itself, but I won't be able to do the tour until I go off on leave. So that will be another video, because it's when it's going, you can do it. I'm usually at work, so, and I don't really go that side on a Saturday, so I will do a tour later on and do a separate video for that if they allow me to video in there. But if you go on the website, you can see the beautiful rooms and the beautiful antique furniture, and you will get an idea of what is there with that. And you can also book weddings there, book events there, because there are beautiful grounds there. We have a lot of expos and so there. And in December we usually have our Devon House craft fair, so it's full of so much to do. Every Jamaican loves Devon House, and visitors alike, Jamaicans who live abroad, always make it one of their top places to come back to when they come to Devon House. So they also have spas, and you can have your Jamaican handmade items. You have jewelry and other items there, and you can actually book a photo shoot there and make use of the grounds. And also, if you want to get married in Jamaica, there's a special wedding package that you can do, and I will put the numbers. I'm not paid for this, but I their numbers are on the website. Let me get this. The numbers are on the website. If you go to devonhouseja.com, that's devonhouseja.com, you will see all of these wonderful things that Devon House has to offer. And also you will get to see they also have a 1-hour flora tour to experience the 70 varieties of plants which are there. And the house is filled with national treasures and an extensive art collection, as it was once the home of Jamaica's first national gallery. So for local Jamaicans, the tour is 1,300 for adults, 1,100 for children. When you go on the website, you can also book and leave your information so that they can give you a call back to finalize your whatever it is that you want to do with them. artisan villages here. You can get roti wraps, curry chicken, curry goats, curry chickpeas, bubble tea. So you have some cute little shops around here. So this little place, Tam Jam, they serve handcrafted popsicles, fruit-based cream pops, got some pop tails. And here is the same roti wraps. Cute little shops. It's another place they do fashion alterations and designing. What is the name of your shop?
It's called D Next Step Sandals.
Can you spell it? Where is it? You have it on a sign? I can keep one too.
Yes, you can.
The next step. Oh, the next step.
Yes.
Sandals. Okay. Alright. So these are all handmade in Jamaica?
Yes, all locally handmade, genuine leather sandals.
Genuine leather.
Yes.
They're made by you?
Not by me.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I see them on social media. Yes, especially I think I remember these with the leopard print and the color. If it's the same one. My son has to make special now because my foot is very narrow.
Okay, yes, we do that with the customization also.
Okay, great.
Draw your feet and make the sandal for you if you
Okay.
have wide width or narrow width.
Okay, what is the price range?
So we start from 7,245 up to 16,000.
Okay, so they start from 7,245 Jamaican, goes up to 16,000. Beautiful. All right, thank you.
You are welcome.
Shop number 26, and they sell popcorn and snacks on there. They serve it with ketchup, mayo, caramelized onions, mustard, relish, cheddar cheese. And they do soup with pig style, home style chicken and pumpkin, veggie pot. And that is it. So this is the entrance where we just came in. I'm just giving you a view. A beautiful view of Devon House. Showing you a little circular view. And we're going back up to collect my lunch. And this is the crepe house. Let me tell you what's on it. The menu. Savory crepes. You guys can read and see the prices. Sweet crepes. I never ordered my lunch already. Maybe I would have come here. I can come back. And I'm going to put the people on it. Jamaicans don't like to be in videos, so I'm not going to put them. This is a spa. It's the spa at Devon House Island Rituals. The first car park. And this is where you enter to go into the courtyard. You have La Gastronomia, pizza, pasta, and gastronomy at its best. You enter here. Oh, that is the, I never noticed that, you know. So this is a picture of George Stabell, 1820 to 1896. He's the first black Jamaican millionaire. He acquired 99 properties island-wide and later built Devon House in 1881. That's the man. And as I said, this is part of our Heritage Trust. Rose's Crystal Gallery, books, crystals, candles, and all sorts of stuff. And you see the So you want to tell me what the shop is about? It's handmade in Jamaica and designed by Erica Johnson. Okay. And as you can see, this is our national Jamaica national dress, you call it, national material, the madras, bandana. We call it madras when we were growing up, you know. And this wasn't the original one, but and the kids have the Jamaica Day when they wear these to school. And then when festival time come, especially on our Independence Day, we put on our Jamaica. That's so beautiful. Don't worry, I'm not gonna put it in the video. I am decent that way. So, alright. Alright, so thank you. Have shops right along. There's a bar and restaurant down here. What's the name again? The pizzeria, and yes, which was now from and grog shop. Okay. Down to this side. Why my hand up? So what's happening here? They have Jamaican stuff. Sort of things. Jamaica t-shirts and what is this place here now? Good vibes. I'm not sure what's going on in there. Oh, coffee, lemongrass, peas, herbs, spices, and nuts. They're open. Starfish, very popular with candles in Jamaica. They have this Elaine's Elegance Designer Lace Expert. Okay. This is the back part of Devon House. The steakhouse is here too. You have to give people a privacy. Fresh fruit smoothies here. Let me just put it up. This is where we're going, but I don't want to interrupt people's privacy.
Yeah. Strawberry, please.
This side what you want. Everything looks yummy. Cheesecake.
Yes.
Beef patty, chicken patty, callaloo patty, fish patty, ackee and salted patty, sweet treats, Danish, cocoa bread, jumbo muffin, and we have beverages, and then curry goat patty, shrimp patty, lobster patty. So the patties in the oven. So many years ago over here used to be called brick oven because that is the brick oven. And so in the old days they used to bake in the brick oven made of bricks. So now they no longer use it, and the ownership has changed. I'm gonna order my packet. So here we have handmade clothing and jewelry. Here we have things Jamaican. Everything they sell is Jamaican, made craft and everything. Pimentos, soup, salad, sandwiches. And that's it. Let's go the other way. We're gonna get ice cream now. So we're gonna exit now and go get our ice cream. See where you walk to get the ice cream. Walking on the grass, it's muddy. Oh, this is the place. Let's go. To join a line. Order over there. Quite impressed. To exit. Going back to the car park. Some school trip and stuff, so I really don't think I can do it today, so that will have to be another day. The place is packed. We'll have to do another day. Let us still pack up. I think them. What if they're still packed up? And they're still packed up. Okay. So I can't get my ice cream today. Then back to my car. I have to come back on like a weekend when I have time. And I got my curry goat patty. So you could turn right and go back onto Hope Road, but it's easier for me to turn left. So we're quite near to Hope Road. So I'm gonna turn left because you guys haven't seen that route before. Now we have a lot of apartments around here. We have Kingsway Mules on your left. The Statesman. So wait until 5 o'clock. St. James Court. This road is gonna be so hard to get out of Kings Creek. Then Devon Road, you have apartments over here. Kingswood Apartments, Kingsway Manor on your left. So all of these are gated communities. Most of them are what we call townhouses, like upstairs, downstairs. And each person has, there's nobody living above you, nobody living below you. You could take this left and go back to Waterloo Road. I'm going straight ahead. The stop sign here, stop at the stop sign. Even though you can't see properly right, the police will get you if you roll. So stop come to a stop. Then you can take your time, we'll go around. I hope you can see there's a light, the sun is in my eye. So this is what, West Kings House Road. Now we have the Canadian Embassy or Canadian High Commission on your left. So we are driving towards Waterloo Road. We have another video where we did the entire Waterloo Road. So we're just gonna go straight down to the end of West Kings House Road where it joins onto Kingston Spring Road. Back onto Kingston Spring Road. Guys, thanks for watching another video. Today was a great event because Devon House is a very special place in Jamaica. So thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share and comment. We are passing the marketplace with lots of restaurants and stuff over there. Guys, I hope you can see properly. My other phone ran out of memory. It's a nice flavor, nice curried goat flavor, not too peppery because I don't like too much pepper, but just enough. Okay, patty was delicious. Well, it's delicious. It's a nice flavor. It is not overwhelmingly filled with pepper. It just has a nice pepper flavor, so I'm enjoying it. Lovely. This is where my video ends today, guys. I have many more videos showing Kingston Spring Road going to Dunrobin Avenue. So thanks again. Remember to like, subscribe, share and comment, and all you have to do is just touch that red arrow at the bottom of the screen on the right hand side and you will be subscribed to my channel. Subscription is free. So also you can touch the little bell at the bottom so you'll be notified when new videos come out. So thanks again for watching. Jamaica big up all the time, and I so appreciate all your comments, your views and your subscriptions. So as we go on this journey to 1,000 subscribers, thanks guys. I'm in the jerk chicken place. We're waiting on my lunch. Just doing another little video just to show the place. Lots of people today.